Thank you, Scott. Well, the countdown is on. You're certainly on the hot seat in case you've lost track of time. And we are just 2 days away from your deadline to file your taxes. April 15th is your last chance to file on time. Never fear, that's like 48 hours away. And in my procrastinating lifetime, that's forever. So if you haven't filed, don't panic. Today we have our tax filing expert, Sheri Schultz from Fiske Company here to help you through that process to get you the best possible refund. A lot of people haven't filed yet.
A lot of people have not filed.
Why is that?
Procrastination.
Really?
Yes.
And there's refunds out there to be had. And there's things to do right now to help you get a better refund.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and you're here to tell us. So if you haven't filed right now, what are some things you should be thinking about before you? Because I know a lot of people that come out and say, man, I forgot to put that on there. What's the biggest thing people forget to put on there?
Well, if you have a health savings account plan, you can maximize your contribution up until April 15th. You can contribute, and for singles, it's up to $3,150. For families, it's $6,150, and if you're over 55, you can contribute an extra $1,000. And what HSAs are for is for people who have high deductible health plans, and it's a tax-preferred savings to put money away to pay for the medical expenses. So you could pay for your deductibles, your out-of-pocket expenses, your prescription drugs. The only thing that HSAs aren't available for now is over-the-counter drugs.
Right, and that used to be such a big benefit.
Yes.
I mean, just check with your HR person at work.
Absolutely.
To see if you have one of those Monday before you filed. Now, also, some people can actually take away health insurance. They can deduct health insurance.
If you are self-employed, you can deduct health insurance premiums for you, your spouse, and your children. You can even deduct health insurance premiums if you have an adult child under the age of 27. And they don't even need to be a dependent on your return. As long as you're paying the premium, you can deduct it.
And you may volunteer your time somewhere or volunteer goods or something. This is the time you actually get the benefit from it.
Yes, you do. If you drive to a charitable event or you drive for a not-for-profit organization, you can get 14 cents a mile for every mile you drove. And also, some people don't know, if you give away non-cash items and you give away more than $500 during the year, fill out Form 8283 so you can deduct it on that form.
Wow, I missed a lot of those in this year, too. But, and you said, you know, there's just so much you can do. One of the most important tips, the thing that people always mess up, is they don't sign that return.
Yes, they don't. And not signing the return makes it invalid. Just like you don't sign a check. It's invalid. So your return will be invalid, too.
Yeah, so much going on today, and you know, hopefully this will help all those procrastinators. And you said there's also something really important. There's money sitting out there that's just up for grabs that if they don't file for it by Monday, they're going to miss. And this is for 2009?
According to the IRS, there's about $917 million available for refunds. And you have only until April 15th of this year to claim any refund that you would have gotten on a 2009 return. So if you did not file your 2009 return, you must file it by April 15th of this year.
Wow. And you say medical expenses, you can also deduct when you drive to the doctor?
If you're able to claim medical expenses and you're driving to the doctors, absolutely take a deduction for mileage. It's 23 cents a mile for every mile you drive for medical.
Wow. Sheri Schultz, thank you so much. People are penny pinching this time of year. They need every deduction that they can get. Thanks for coming in. Good to see you.